Why can lack of sleep destroy you? Have you ever wondered why not sleeping enough can slowly destroy your body? In 2007, the World Health Organization classified disruption of the body's internal clock, especially from night work, as a probable carcinogen, the same category as smoking. Since then, research has linked chronic sleep deprivation to serious health risks, including cancer, heart disease, and metabolic disorders. But here's the real question. How can something as simple as sleep, when reduced just a little, affect your entire body this much? Let's start inside your body. You have a defense system made of specialized cells called natural killer cells. Their job is to detect and destroy abnormal or cancerous cells before they spread. In a 2019 study from UCLA, researchers deprived participants of sleep for just one night. The next morning, they measured the activity of these cells. The result was shocking. Their activity dropped significantly, in some cases by nearly 70%. That means after just one night of poor sleep, your immune system is already weakened. You won't feel it immediately, but if this happens repeatedly, your body slowly loses its ability to defend itself. Now step outside the lab. In 1963, a teenager named Randy Gardner stayed awake for 11 consecutive days. At first, everything seemed normal. By the second day, his concentration declined. By the third, he became confused. By the fifth, he lost track of reality. Toward the end, he started hearing voices. He survived, but the experiment revealed something critical. The human brain cannot function properly without sleep. Later studies showed that severe sleep deprivation can damage neurons in important areas of the brain. So what makes sleep so essential? In 2012, researchers at the University of Rochester discovered the glymphatic system. It only works during deep sleep. Think of your brain as a city. Throughout the day, waste builds up inside it. During sleep, fluid flows through the brain, clearing out toxins. One of the most important toxins is amyloid beta, which is linked to Alzheimer's disease. When you don't sleep enough, this cleaning process slows down. Toxins remain. They accumulate slowly over time, and eventually the brain begins to suffer. The numbers confirm this. A large study involving over 1.3 million people found that sleeping less than 6 hours per night is associated with a 12% increase in mortality risk. Another study in the European Heart Journal linked short sleep duration to a higher risk of heart disease. But it doesn't stop there. Sleep deprivation disrupts your hormones. It increases ghrelin, the hormone that makes you feel hungry, and decreases leptin, the hormone that signals fullness, so you eat more even when your body doesn't need it. In other words, your entire system starts to lose balance. Here's the truth. Sleep is not a luxury. Sleep is the only time your body repairs itself, cleans your brain, and balances your hormones. The damage from lack of sleep doesn't happen overnight. It builds slowly, day after day, until one day you start noticing the consequences. So the next time you choose to sleep less, ask yourself, are you saving time or paying a much bigger price? So what should you actually do? Don't overcomplicate it. You don't need a perfect routine. You just need consistency. Try to sleep at the same time every day, even on weekends. Give your brain a signal that it's time to rest. Avoid screens before sleep, not because it's bad, but because your brain stays alert longer than you think. And most importantly, don't treat sleep as something optional. It's not a reward after you finish everything. It's the reason you can function in the first place. And if there's one thing to remember from this video, it's this. Sleeping less is not saving time. It's costing you more than you realize. So tonight, don't just go to sleep. Give your brain the rest it needs, because sleep isn't wasted time. It's what keeps you going tomorrow. If this made you think differently, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for what's next. I'll see you in the next one.